Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Medaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to view your USB device history on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung device manager, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung Universal Serial Bus Controller. Okay, so ito siya. So i-click mo lang itong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung USB Mass Storage Device. Ito siya. So ang gagawin natin dito, so i-click mo lang siya. Kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung properties. And then pop up tong kanyang device properties. Ang next step, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung details. And then para makita natin yung kanyang history na connected sa ating computer ay dito lang sa property, and then click mo lang tong arrow na yan. And then makikita mo na lahat dito yung list ng different USB devices na connected sa ating computer with their various about details each one. So nandito lahat yung kanyang details informations. Alright? So, in another options na pwede natin gawin para ma-view yung history. So, dito lang sa search menu ulit. And then, kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung event viewer. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. Okay, so pop-up yung kanyang event viewer settings. So, ang next step, dito lang sa event viewer local, kailangan mo lang select dito yung Windows log. So, i-click mo lang itong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step, dito sa Windows logs ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung system. So i-click mo lang yung system. And then makikita mo na dito sa gitna yung kanyang details information system. And then yung kanyang Windows update, details mga kaibigan, in general dito. So ang gagawin mo lang, dito lang sa right side, i-select mo lang dito yung filter current log. So click mo lang siya. And then, dito sa kanyang event sources ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung USB store. Okay? So, ito yung command keyword, yung kailangan mong i-type dito sa event sources, USB store. And then, dito sa baba, i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And then, makikita mo dito mga kaibigan yung kanyang details. So, dito sa level date, yung general details, nandito siya mga kaibigan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to check USB history in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.